Today I will show you how to create a WebOn for the Nomo app. Now, what is a WebOn? A WebOn is a web application that is running in a Nomo app. And just as an inspiration, if you click here on Discover WebOns, you have a list of WebOns that are already existing. And I will show you how to create your own WebOns. And this is pretty easy for if you have web development skills. Like you go here on github.com/nomoapp/nomo WebOn kit, and in this README file it will explain you everything you need, but I will just do the steps without reading the README file, just to show you how it is done. And I prepared a React application here, and I'm running this React application in GitHub Codespaces. You can also run it locally in VS Code, and I've running Nomo app here in macOS, but you can also run it on iOS or on Android. And one step we need to do is we go on settings, information about this app, and need to enable the dev mode of the Nomo app. If you click 10 times here on Nomo app, click 10 times, enable the dev mode. You need to just do this one time for your Nomo app, and then we're ready to go. Next step we need is Nomo manifest here in our React application. I will create a new file, nomo_manifest.json. I will copy this here from the README. Here is a link where I can copy a manifest file. Let's just copy this here and paste it into our React application. Let's say change the name to Hello World WebOn. Then we also need an icon, a WebOn icon that is shown by a Nomo app here on the home screen. So we do this by copying this file that we already have. We make a copy of this and rename it to nomo_icon.png. And here is the icon specified. The next step we need is a deep link. A deep link gets created by looking at our React application. So we're running the React application here in the GitHub Codespace, and the deep link gets created by adding the prefix nomo.app/webon/, and this is just telling the system, this prefix is just telling the system that this is a Nomo WebOn. So we copy this thing. Then we go back to our Nomo app, and then we click on plus. We are pasting the deep links, but you can also scan a QR code if you do this on a mobile phone. Edit, click on add, and then we can see that here is our Hello World WebOn, and we can open it here, and it is running. So it was some easy steps to get it running. And also, another step would be if you want to run smart contracts from this. There is another package like Nomo WebOn kit/main/ethos.js Nomo WebOn. Like you can npm install ethos.js Nomo WebOns. With this, you can also in a few lines of JavaScript interact with smart contracts with the Nomo app. Then if you want to go more advanced, you can go through those functions. There is a whole bunch of stuff that you can do, like you can add custom tokens, get asset prices, install other WebOns, and so forth. Like you can read this through. But yeah, those are the basic steps. You can convert pretty much any web application into a WebOn and then expand the functionality that you need. All right, that's enough for today. Thanks for watching.